So you've just unboxed your April BoxyCharm. Now what? I'm Jillian, IPSY's VP of Merchandising, and I'm here to help you spring into self-care with quick tips to make the most out of your new favorites. Let's dive in. We eat blueberries, raspberries, and kiwis for their antioxidants, so why not put them on our face? This gentle, hydrating cleanser is packed with fruit extracts and more to help you brighten your skin and improve your overall complexion. Try massaging this onto damp skin for 60 seconds to boost absorption and rinse with lukewarm water to avoid dryness. Scalp care is so important because healthy hair starts at the roots. Your scalp called and it wants a pina colada. This hydrating scalp mask from Style Dry is a tropical vacay for your head, infused with pineapple and coconut to help soothe and balance. You're gonna massage this onto dry or damp hair for a few minutes. You're going to leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse, followed by your shampoo and conditioner. You won't be disappointed. 5 cool taupe shades, 1 amazing palette from Natasha Denona. If you don't know, Natasha Denona is known for her high pigment formulas, and this palette features her signature creamy mattes and metallics. I'm gonna walk you through my quick eye look, but don't worry, if you turn over the back of your palette, it'll tell you which shade to use for which area. You're gonna start with the crease shade to define. Then you're gonna use the outer lid shade for depth. You're next gonna apply the center lid shade for a pop. Lastly, you're gonna brighten your inner corner with a little bit of shimmer. Selena Gomez made this. That's it, that's the pitch. But seriously, this creamy smudge-proof gel liner from Rare Beauty stays put all day, even through a full-on ugly cry watching The Notebook. And I know because I tried it. Here are some of my tips for the best way to use this liner. I love to line my waterline on the upper lash, and this fine tip is perfect for precision. You can also smudge along the lower lash line for a soft, smoky effect. Great for nighttime. And best part is it pairs perfectly with the Natasha Denona palette I just showed you, so you can create a seamless look. If your lips are feeling as dry as a desert, this nourishing lip oil from Yensa Beauty is here to save the day. There are 8 oils in this formula, including coconut oil and avocado seed oil, packed with vitamins and antioxidants. This will give your pout a beautiful shine and add a touch of natural color with all the benefits of skincare. You can wear this alone or layer over your favorite lip color for extra hydration and gloss. Hope these tips help you to make the most out of your April BoxyCharm. Self-care is all about enjoying the little moments. Let us know in the comments which product you're most excited to try.